Morning, dear students. Most welcome to all of you in English class. Dear students, today we are going to study lesson number 9, Madam Rides the Bus by Valli Kannan. And dear students, in this chapter, first of all, you would like to attend the first part of the story. We would like to come to know about a girl who is fascinated, or we can say extremely fascinated, by a bus that carries some passengers who used to travel from one of his house and a hometown. Dear students, it's a very sensitive story that is mentioning an 8-year-old girl who tries to attempt her first journey and just try to look all over the world. She comes to know about many things of the life where she finds to look side by side. Dear students, we would like to know what happened in the end of the story, how does she plan for her journey, and whatever things she does while her journey, and how does she prepare herself to make her first journey. So dear students, we can see the introductory paragraph of the story. Like before you read, it is saying us, in this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village is also her induction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. That means it is said that same thing that was explained earlier, it was her installation into the mystery of life and death, and she came to know what is the fascinating thing and what is the actual thing. Dear students, second thing is the activity for you. You have to look at the words and phrases that is given below, and then you have to put a tick mark against the ones that you think will find in the text. A set of passengers, get off the bus, ticket please, a row of seats, blowing a whistle, get on the bus, platform, a roar and rattle, slowing down to a crawl. Dear students, the writer is asking you that you might have seen many things while traveling by bus, so you will need to mention them in your notebook also. Now dear students, let's start the first paragraph of the story, page number 117. There was a girl named Valli Amai who was called Valli for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. So dear students, you have already come to know many things that first of all, main character is Valli Amai. She was, and for short, if we take her name, is known as Valli. She is 8 years old, and it was her fascinating thing that she used to watch everything that was happening in her surrounding just by standing at the doorway of her house. But for Valli, standing at front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Dear students, whenever you stand at a place, you can see the world moving here and there. You try to take enjoy because the world is full of mystery and different events. You can take enjoy by standing at one place. This is the main thing. Now dear student, we will try to move next page, page number 118. The first paragraph, let us see. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that travelled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Valli. So dear students, whatever the things, extremely charming thing for her is to see the passengers who were get in the bus at some place of her village and that used to pass through her house and goes to the town. Different passengers used to get in and get off. Their face was extremely fascinates to Valli, and she was enjoyed by them. Day after day she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head. and grew there. She wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. So, student is saying that she was eagerly wishing to have a travel on that bus. It was just fulfilling an extreme desire that once she wanted to ride in the bus, only once, because it was her strong determination, and day by day it was going stronger. Wali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. मतलब कि वली क्या करती थी, लोगों को आते आते देखती थी और उनका चेहरा बड़े ही कहते हैं कि ध्यानपूर्वक देखती थी और ये महसूस करने की कोशिश करती थी कैसा एक्सप्रेशन है उन लोगों का. देयर फेसेस वुड किंडल इन हर लॉन्गिंग्स, मतलब एक ललक से, एक इच्छा के साथ उनका जो चेहरा था वो चमक उठता था, उत्तेजित हुआ करता था. ड्रीम्स एंड होप्स. इफ वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स हैपन टू राइड द बस and try to describe the sights of the town to her, Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. So, dear students, what used to happen when she finds any of her friend getting in the bus to travel in the bus, and when they come after getting off the bus and used to explain her about their experience of traveling, she used to speak in a jealous way, "Proud, proud." And actually, they were not knowing the meaning of to be proud. So, dear students, it was, you can say, like bad habits are demerits of a person who tries to get a chance to do something, but he is unable to find himself to get inside that. That time he feels something like awkward. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. That means कि वो कुछ महीने तक क्या हुआ, कई महीने बाद देखती क्या कि कई पैसेंजर्स को आपस में बातें करते हुए, पड़ोसियों को कि बस के बारे में, और वो बहुत ही डिस्क्रीट क्वेश्चन मीन्स बोलते कि वेरी केयरफुल क्वेश्चन ही यूज टू आस्क देम. This way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. That means she used to find all the details, like whatever necessary for her, she used to find details. The town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune. So what happened, dear students? Two information were known by Wali. That first of thing, the distance of the town was 6 kilometers from her own village, and the fare of one side was 30 paise. So these two informations she get, and she saw talking about the town or the bus by one passengers of her neighborhood. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. That means कि अगर वो एक बार टाउन पहुंच जाए तो ये 45 मिनट्स का टाइम लेता था और बाकी 30 पैसे she could use returning from there. This means that she could take a 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town and 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. दैट मीन्स कि उसे 1 बजे दोपहर की बस उसे लेनी थी, 1:45 पे पहुंचती. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. That means slowly she tried to calculate about money and about the time, and she made her plan and planned to travel by the bus. So, dear student, this was the first part of the story. You will need to attend oral comprehension check question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and will send you homework on my personal window. See you in next video with the second paragraph. Bye.